Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you guys the easiest, simplest way to make pan-seared salmon at home. Super easy. It is really quick to make and it's super delicious. If you guys want to see how it's done, just continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's begin. Here's a list of all the ingredients you will need to make this dish. I will have it on the screen. I will try my best to put the ingredients on the screen for you guys, as I notice it is easier for you guys. So I'm using these beautiful fish salmon fillet here, and of course I'm using Mrs. seasoning, paprika, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and salt. We're going to mix all of these ingredients together so we can have a nicely well combined seasoning. And then next we are going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil onto our fish fillet or salmon. And don't forget to drizzle the olive oil on both sides. Now is the perfect time for you to season your salmon. So what I'm going to be doing is sprinkling my seasoning all over the salmon, and as well as rubbing my fingers all over it. As you guys notice, I am tapping it as well, just to ensure the seasoning stick and stay on there, and so we can have a nice salmon, delicious salmon, of course. Now we're going to season the other side, of course. Just flip it over and repeat the same steps. Now, before I start cooking the salmon, I like to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes just to ensure the seasoning melt into the fish, and we're going to get ready to cook it. On medium-high heat, I am going to place my skillet. Make sure it's nice and hot. We're going to melt the butter. I am using unsalted butter. Of course, you can use salted butter if you want. We're going to let that melt. Once melted, make sure it's nice and hot. We're going to place the salmon right in there and don't move it. Now, if you move it, you are definitely going to mess with the crust, because you want a nice crispy crust in the center to be nice and flaky. Do not move it, let it sit. We're going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, then flip it over and cook the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now at this point, if you want to take it up a notch a little bit, you can add some thyme or garlic cloves in there just to add some more flavor. But let me tell you, this is a basic, simple salmon recipe, and it was absolutely delicious and so flaky, and the crust was nice and crispy, and the center was very flaky. It is the best salmon recipe. It was juicy too, y'all. It was not dry. I hope you guys try this out. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the recipe, of course, because this recipe definitely deserve a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, leave me a comment below if you are going to try this out. And I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.